So the reason that these plugs are flat like that, because you're supposed to use a connector where you have the wire on the connector and then you plug the connector onto the post of the plug. But since most of us don't buy those, I am guilty of that myself. This is how I usually lay it out. I like to lay it like this so that the wire kind of becomes an extension of the prong. Put some flux on it. Get your iron. Now you want to hold the iron on there long enough so that the metal underneath the wire gets hot enough to take the solder. And you'll see it grab. So you get in and out quickly. You can even take a little, like some rubbing alcohol and Q-tip, clean up the flux if it's a mess, but you know, this isn't so bad. And we put on our heat shrink. Show you here. There you go. Nice and clean. No damage to the plug. And that's how you do it.